Operations Manager. Before you spend another day lost in schedules and time tracking, meet Connect Team, the all-in-one platform that makes team management a whole lot easier. Create team schedules in minutes with Connect Team's auto scheduling, showing you real-time estimated labor costs as you build the schedule while also considering your team's availability and skills, ensuring the schedule is optimized for both your bottom line and your team. But hey, even the best schedules need adjustments sometimes, right? So if your employees need to swap shifts, they can do it with just a click right in Connect Team. All you have to do is approve or decline. To keep your team on track, assign tasks, forms, and checklists directly within the schedule so they know exactly what needs to be done, giving you peace of mind that everything's handled the right way. And time tracking? It's simpler than ever. When your employees clock in and out from their mobile device or kiosk app, their work hours are automatically logged and timesheets are created, eliminating those costly errors. And get started.
How this is looking, but we'll start off right here.
Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up with toxins. I've been broken hearted, now it's fuck that bitch. Getting high to deal with my problems. Fucking bitches getting drunk and shit, but these bitches getting obnoxious. Ain't nothing to me though, I love this shit. Go long days, longer nights, talk too much, the wrong advice. All the lights that call my life. Doctor, will you help me? Get me healthy, keep it low as we're healthy. Ain't shit you can tell me now. For this rap shit, but you selling out. Ooh shit, my new bitch, you jealous now. Smoking weed at the crib, watching belly now. All the pain that they causing, like fuck it, we ballin' out, everything straight. You feeling, I'm feeling, I'm chillin', just living, I'm getting away. Conversations we having, I'm getting through static, too much on my plate. Lord, I need me a break. Let me go by the weekend. Yeah. Let me go by the weekend. Yeah. Everything good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything will be good by the weekend. By the weekend. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. Like fuck it. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. Fuck it. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. It's a weekend. We going out tonight. Yeah, we going out tonight. It's a weekend. I've been having trouble sleeping. Battling these demons, wondering what's the thing that keeps me breathing. Is it money, fame, or neither? I've been thinking about the places that I frequent, all the people that I see. I'm tired of living decent. What do it mean to be a G? Yeah, and all the time we fall behind. Bitches in the concubine, I call them mine. Crazy, and God is I make water, wine, pause, and time is coming. They often hate me. Never will I walk in line, I cross the T's and dot the I's. Wondering how I got this high. Fell asleep.
Making put that song over. Alright. Don't know why it keeps doing that. I feel like it's just because the it's probably because it's down. So it's automatically getting over there. Okay, cool. Hi. We got we'll zoom in. I need you to get mine. It's not gonna zoom in. Okay, sorry. Here. Now it zooms in. That's cool. Anyways, and then we got second angle. Hello. You know, just for the heck of it too. Why not? Let's get the third angle. Because we could just get an easy third angle setup like right here. I mean, you know. Anyway. these, I don't know, right here.
Battery 41%.
Yay. Okay. Angle 3 setup. Hello. Hey, dude. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Alright. And I also have the monitor set up right here. That's where I could just see myself chilling in my chair and experimenting with this stuff. Yeah. I think this will be it. Hey, okay. Here we are. I'm adding this in as like a kind of like a last minute part of the clip. And yeah, this is kind of just for that video that I just made that you just see. I'm posting this and I'm gonna call this one as you'll see from the title, probably getting the ball rolling. So right now I'm doing another video. I'm gonna post that too in due time. But yeah, man, this is gonna be the start of something really cool. I wanted to post all this stuff on like March the 23rd, and there's a reason for that. But yeah, I figured this is like kind of just a better like outro than what I had for like a rough draft, I guess, like a video, which is this. Yeah, I just kind of threw this stuff together and just need to put something out there. So I hope you like this. It was a fun like little experiment, especially just like in my room starting something. It was definitely really cool. So getting used to like the filming and stuff and just like how I'm doing things, editing and everything. And yeah, just getting my own flow, own little thing going, and yeah, it'll be cool, man. It'll be cool. It'll be cool because I like it. I think if I like it, then there'll be at least like some appeal to like a certain audience. I guess there's gonna be some people that like it. I guess I'll say maybe, hopefully, at the very least to me, myself. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one here. And yeah, again, thank you for watching. I'll see what I could do like at the end of this, like outro wise, like what to put. I'm sure I'll figure something out. But yeah, first video. All right, peace out.